go.
So we're on.
We're on.
It's time to make magic.
I know, and I can't wait. I'm Kathy Jordan from Kathy Jordan Design.
I'm Jim Conley. I'm Kathy's friend. I'm a decorative artist.
Almost like a Trumo mirror, except there's no mirror. But you know, you could take this, what you're learning today, and create a Trumo mirror.
We have a wee peek. Oh, look.
Isn't that nice?
When everything's dry and we start again, Kathy and I will show you how to apply all the different colors and textures and shading and antiquing and
Finishing touches.
Finishing touches.
So you've got your stamp and it's nice and wet, and you're just laying it down into the medium. And I think I'm going to stand back a little bit because, you know, how you mentioned you were a messy painter.
Don't ever touch a black dog when you've got white.
Exactly. Oh, can you imagine? I mean, this is just one idea. One thing. The paint just kind of absorbs the wax. It gets right into the paint.
Are you happy with it, Kathy?
I'm really happy with that.